Hi, Eric with Sennheiser. Today we're going to unbox the DW Office. This is a decked office headset solution from Sennheiser and Sennheiser Communications. Let's take a look at the box and then we're going to set it up. It does come in an environmentally friendly package here to minimize waste. It's totally recyclable. You can unfold it here and you'll notice there's two sections and a user manual. On the back side is a user manual along with software for connection to your laptop. On this side is the headset. This side is the base station. Okay, here's your headset located in the plastic bag here. I'm going to remove the plastic. And it's adjustable with a swiveling arm that you can wear on the left or right hand side. There's charging contacts right there. Here's your on-off button that will answer and end a call, activate an audio connection. And then we have the volume control as well as mute switch, push into mute. We're going to set this aside. Also included is the handy mic screen. This is known as a windscreen or pop stopper or pop filter. This will prevent plosives from your voice from reaching the microphone. Okay, the next side features your base station. The base station here serves as a charging port and connection hub for the DW Office when using it with your desk phone and PC. This is a USB cable. This is for connection of the central hub here, your base station, to a personal computer. Most importantly is the power cable. You can't charge the headset or operate the base station without this. This features an RJ style connector for connection to the back of the base station and an RJ style connector for connection into your desktop telephone. Let's get started in connecting one. Okay, step one. The DW Office does require power. We've got our power cable here. Let's take off the protective coating from the base station, spin this around, and remove the protective plate. This plate is here to protect the connectors. Once we have everything all set up, it will prevent other objects or other people from tampering with your settings. Locate the tip with the plug with the yellow tip here and plug it into the color-coordinated port, which is DC in. Next, we'll plug this end into a working wall outlet. So now that we have power connected to our base station, we can go ahead and connect the audio. We have our audio cable here. One side is color-coded green. And on the rear of the base station, again, you'll see a green port. Connect the plug there. Follow the cable to the end, to the other side. And now you have two choices. On your desk phone, you can connect to a headset port if you have one available, or if you'd like to maintain use of the handset or want to use a handset lifter, you can connect to where the handset normally connects. So I'm going to unplug my handset, plug in the headset where the handset normally goes, and plug my handset into the back of the base station into the port labeled handset. What this allows the base station to do is act as a wireless handset, but of course in a much more ergonomic fashion, which is a headset. This allows you to answer a call with your handset or activate the headset via the base station or headset to make a call wirelessly. Fantastic. Okay, now that we have our base station connected to power and to a desktop phone for audio, let's connect the base station to a PC via the USB port. If you will not be using a PC for DW Office wireless headset use, you can ignore this step. The supplied cable is a micro USB to a traditional USB style port. It's color-coded orange, and that will plug directly into the orange port on the rear of the base station. The other side plugs into the USB port in your computer. Okay, we have power and audio connected to this base station for both the desk phone and the PC. What you want to do is grab your instruction manual, flip it over, and you'll see there's a disk. This includes the head setup software. This software disk allows your DW Office to interface with various soft phones and includes some additional features for your PC. This is great for speech recognition as well as soft phone clients. Once your disk is inserted, a menu will come up, follow the instructions, and install the head setup software. Excellent. Now we have our base station connected to power, audio connected to our desk phone and PC, head setup software installed. We want to configure this base station for this particular phone. And your phone may be different than this one, and that's okay. The DW Office has a range of controls on the rear side to guarantee compatibility with your particular phone. But to do that, first we have to charge the headset. The great thing about this headset is it features quick charging. You can charge up to 50% of the battery in just 20 minutes. To do so, simply place the headset inside the charging cradle. There are metal contacts here, and there's a magnetic latch that will let you know and give you confirmation of a successful dock. Now, we have our base station connected to power, connected to our audio sources, which are the desktop phone and the PC. We have our head setup software installed for use with a soft phone. Now let's configure this base station for use with this phone. There are thousands, literally thousands of different makes and models of telephones out there. Many of them have different wiring configurations as well as sensitivities for the microphone circuit. The DW Office has a fantastic set of controls on the rear that will allow you to maintain compatibility with just about every phone in the market. You'll notice an ABC switch on the rear. That controls the wiring configuration to allow audio to pass through from the phone to the wireless headset. There's also a knob labeled 0 through 9. This particular knob controls the microphone sensitivity. If you have a quiet voice, you can boost that by turning up the dial. If you have a loud, boomy voice, you can reduce it, or reduce it if you hear side tone or echo. So, with the headset out of the cradle, let's make a test call. We can activate a line by lifting the handset out of the cradle, just like you would a normal telephone call. If you have connected to the headset port on your phone, you can of course use the headset button. Let's lift the phone out of the cradle and activate an audio link between the headset and the base. To do this, I can press the button on the side of the headset or the phone button on the base station. You'll see a blue LED indicating that an audio link is in fact active. I'm going to put the headset on and listen. I will move the ABC switch until audio passes through on both sides, meaning the receiver side and the transmit side, which is your microphone. A helpful hint, you can simply dial a neighbor or your cell phone to complete this. Once you've made that connection, move the switch until you can hear your party and your party can hear you. Feel free to manipulate the 0 through 9 knob, which controls microphone sensitivity, and the ABC switch until you get it just right. Once you're done, you can hang up your call, or if you've connected via the headset port, simply press the headset button or hang up. And you can dock your headset to begin charging again. There you have it. Your DW Office is connected to your desk phone, your PC, and ready to make calls. To switch between the two, simply press the button on the base station to volley the connection between PC and phone and back and forth. This is great for taking calls and doing speech recognition, or maintaining 2 different lines, one soft phone and one desk phone. In a separate video, we will cover connecting the DW Office to a handset lifter. This will allow you to answer and end your call remotely while away from your phone, so you don't have to pick up the handset out of the cradle. The user manual included with the DW Office also includes advanced instructions for phones that are capable of electronic hook switch. So that's answering and ending a call remotely on phones without a lifter that support electronic hook switch. It also covers wideband versus narrowband, conference calls, battery life, and much more. So be sure to check out your user manual for additional advanced features. Thanks for watching.